Cheers of joy and laughter, people shouted, let everyone know there is hope for all to find peace.
Candy canes.
It's like a pencil?
Merry Christmas, everybody! Hello, look what I have with me. I have Tory Burton, Miss King Canada Charity with me here tonight, everybody. Merry Christmas! Hello there! Hello, everybody!
Well, it's not a big one. Right above us. Whoa. Right above us there. Ooh. It's a high one. Oh, the hot stuff hit there. Oh, there.
There's a hat.
Well, you know, there's nothing like the Christmas parade, you know, and fireworks with the family to help get you in the festive mood. Just look, the trees are loaded with snow. I'm just going to go down to the edge of the pond here and we'll see who the lucky winner is. Well, I must say, you know, it was another large day here in the Bigland, and I'm just going to find a place to sit down here now. I'll just use my snowshoes there for a camera stand. And first, you know, I'd like to thank everyone that entered, and a special thank you to Benny Powell for giving me these two books to so I could have this contest. And Benny right now is in the process of creating a website for his music and books and that. So once he gets his website up and running, I'll share a link. I'll share the link on my channel. And without further ado, I got everyone's name here in the bag, and there's just going to be one winner, and they'll get both books, and they get a book for themselves and a book for the kid as well, you know. So I got them in a plastic bag there because I don't want to get them wet or anything. And whoever I pick, just inbox me your address, and I'll get these out right away, and hopefully you'll get them before Christmas Day. That'd be nice. So without further ado, here's everyone's name here. I'm just gonna give a little shake around. And I'm just going to do the old behind the back draw, I suppose. I just hope I only draws out one. Oh, get the old hand down there. Okay, I got a bunch. Just got to try to wean it down to one. Got to drop a couple. Gosh, I'm not sure what I got there. I'm just hoping there's just one. If there's more than one, I'll put those names back in the bag and pick again. Never one. Oh jeez. I have to have one. Fingers getting dry, dude. Don't have the same sensitivity. Ear around here is pretty dry, you know. I don't know, I feel like I got more than one there. Oh yeah, okay, perfect. Floyd Abichan. Floyd Abichan. You are the lucky winner.
Oh, this is a...
Whoa. That was gonna be a good one. Oh, look at this one. That's a big one.